again, it's doing a live Google search, doing live trends that give us the most updated topics here. So give it just about 45 seconds or so. So it's going to give us the trending topics, a number one maximalist makeup and indie sleaze revival. It gives us why it's trending. So let's save these to notes. The salmon sperm ingredient deep dive. So this kind of gives this is a popular topic for people that are doing some different sort of skincare. Um, Project Pan 2026 is a viral TikTok trend that's gaining massive traction. So and once again, I don't do beauty and fashion, so I don't know what some of these are about. But that's my whole point here is to show you that that you can start building a channel or videos based on some of these topics here. So we're going to save all of these topics to notes. So let's go ahead and do this first topic here. So once again, we ran our topic scout. We have our audience persona here. So now that we have some topics, let's go ahead and choose topic number one. We can do a few different things here. We can ask our AI about it. So let's ask AI about this topic. You just have to click that one button and it's going to give us some more information about this particular topic so we can do a great video about it. So it gives us maximalist makeup is all about breaking free from boundaries, celebrating excess, key characteristics of maximalist makeup. So this gives us all the trends of why it's trending. Then it gives us the indie sleaze revival. So this is going to give us everything we need to know about this particular topic. So let's save that to notes as well. So let's go ahead and click this. We're just going to click this and now we're going to start working on a title